sound?
Yeah.
I guess.
And it's tough, especially because they're cold, so they kind of do the whole teeth cold thing, you know, remember?
Is it recording?
Yep.
I have nothing to say right now.
It's pretty self-explanatory, I think.
Okay.
Hold on.
Hi.
Hi.
So as I turn it
as you turn it, open it, and then you just start jogging.
Mmm. That was a bad idea.
I told you, dude. It's
Bad influence.
It's a lot harder.
Oh shit. I almost did it all though.
That's what she said.
I almost sucked it out the hole. I almost sucked all the liquid out. Is there any worse I can make that sound?
You like wieners.
Penises are great.
Finished it like a gentleman.